Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here. Hope you're having a great start to your week. A really nice weather day out there. It's a little chilly, but we're dry. Not much happening. And the chilly, dry weather largely is the theme here for the week ahead. Trending cooler midweek. The core of this cold comes in Tuesday night through Thursday, but it's going to be chilly right even through the early part of the weekend. So this is not a one and done day type deal. It's a stretched out period, but there is a finite end to this warmth that we're going to discuss here in a little bit. So today, no issues. Tonight, we're watching a very weak system pass off to our south. There could be a few rain or snow showers here for Tuesday afternoon as this thing moves across. It's not a big deal. This thing gets out of here. And for Wednesday, it's just a few additional rain or snow showers, mainly across the interior. And that's really it. And you look at the total rain, it's a trace to a quarter of an inch unless you're downwind of some lake effect, which most areas obviously will not be. So it's a pretty limited amount of precipitation here through Wednesday. And as we head towards the end of the week, it's largely just cold and dry. Maybe an additional flurry or something Thursday. And we are watching a storm system off our coast. We talked about it in yesterday's video for Friday. Right now, it's off the coast. The GFS a little bit closer, would try to throw back a little bit of rain along the immediate coast here Thursday night. But again, I think it's far enough away from the coast that it's not a huge deal. And I'm actually trying to pull up our Canadian model because I want to just see what that's showing as well. So I can just give you kind of a third party. And there you go. It's close. I mean, it's close enough to warrant our attention along the coast for some rain. I mean, you look at these temperatures here on what, Friday morning. I mean, it's in the 40s. This would be rain even if it does occur. Now, if for whatever reason this system decides to jog 150 miles northwest, and instead of that back edge being in Philadelphia, Long Island, and Cape Cod, if that ends up being central PA to southern Vermont, New Hampshire, yeah, that would be a different story. Across the interior, it might be cold enough. So we'll watch it. It's still 4 or 5 days away. Again, low threat right now, but something just to keep in mind here as we press towards the end of the week. Otherwise, it's a chilly weekend, but then notice by Sunday, Monday, see these red lines coming back? That's the warmth above our heads that's going to bring warm temperatures here as we press into next week. So I want to show you the temperatures at about 5,000 or 2,500 feet, because that's a really good indicator of where this air mass is coming from and how cold it actually is. So today you can see it's a cool day, not cold. But notice these temperatures for Tuesday are about 3 or 4 degrees colder at Celsius. And then as you head towards Wednesday, the cold, it's legitimately cold at higher elevations here, below freezing in this gray area. And then for overnight Thursday night, look at how far south that gets, down towards I-90. A pretty deep cold air mass for Thursday. It does warm up briefly during the afternoon, but we're right back at it at night Thursday night. And then by, like I said, the weekend, we start to warm this pattern up, and I don't see a lot of meaningful widespread cold through the middle of next week. Okay, so it is a rather quick hitting cold shot, but it is legitimate, right? There's some good cold in this type of pattern. And just kind of looking here at our high temperatures moving forward, you can see the progression colder. Wednesday, 40s in the lower elevations, 30s in the higher elevations, 50s along the coast. Same thing Thursday, same thing Friday. But notice by the weekend, we're slowly inching our way upward. And by Monday and Tuesday, we're pushing 50 north, we're pushing 60 south. And we may sneak up into the 60s for a day or two towards the end of the week along the coast. But again, it's November now, so our expectations have to kind of be reset as to what's a warmer day, right? So cold week this week, but we do see progression in the warmer direction as we head towards the weekend and into the following week. So that's what we have for today. Just a few stray showers Tuesday, Wednesday. That's pretty much all we got. We'll watch that coastal storm for Friday as well.